beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be talking about Mama's Earth latest launch, and that is their EOD perfumes, and they were kind enough to send me their two perfumes, and they have already launched 5 variants of them, but I have these two. One is floral and the other one is first rain, and I am going to review these perfumes for you all. So without blabbering much, let's just jump into the video. About Mamaearth as a brand. So Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand and they recycle more plastic than they use, as well as Mamaearth is a cruelty free and 100% vegan brand. Now let's talk about the packaging of these perfume. So these perfume comes into this hard case packaging, which is like this. It is a very hard case packaging and it opens like this. So whichever bottle is the packaging is color coded. Now this is first rain, so it is color coded as green, and this is floral, so it is color coded as pink. Everything is written on the box itself that it's 100% vegan, it's made safe certified, as well as it is phthalate free. Plus this is 100% vegan product as well as 100% cruelty free product. When we open the packaging of these perfume, the perfume bottles look so luxurious, and they are also color coded with the names written on top of the box. So this is green, this is first rain, and this is pink, this is the floral one. Now they look so luxe, the bottles are so luxe as you can see, and there is nothing written on the bottle except, that's the good thing, except they have written the expiry, the manufacturing, and the price of this perfume. So if we lost the outer packaging, at least we have everything mentioned over here in case कभी कभी हम perfumes use नहीं करते, so हमारा expiry date भी पास में आ जाता है, तो हम इसको देख के बता सकते हैं कि कभी expire होने वाला है. Now 50 ml of these perfume cost rupees 699 and they come with a shelf life of 3 years. So 3 years is a very long time. Obviously they are not going to last more than 6 months if you use it on a regular basis. Mamaearth perfume. Now I have these two and they literally smell so good that whenever I just open the outer box, the smell come out of these perfumes. I do not have to open the cap as well to smell the perfume and tell you कि कैसा smell कर रहा है, but ये ऐसे ही इसमें से smell बहुत strong आती है. Now they last up to the next wash of your clothes. So जैसे आप लगाओगे और अपने कपड़े जब तक नहीं धोगे तब तक इनकी smell आपके कपड़ों में रहेगी. So that's a very good thing, क्योंकि यार obviously we sweat a lot in summer, so हमें ऐसे perfumes चाहिए होते हैं जो stays on our clothes for a very long time. So this is a plus point for these perfumes. Let's talk about the notes of these perfumes. So if we talk about first rain, तो इसका जो टॉप नोट है वो वाटरी है, इसका जो मिडिल नोट है वो जैस्मिन एंड मोजी है. आई गेस मैंने इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन सही से बोला हो. एज वेल एज जो बेस नोट है वो है आपका पेचोली ऑयल एज वेल एज एम्बर एंड मस्क. Now if we talk about the floral one, तो इसका जो टॉप नोट है वो सिट्रस क्लीन है, एप्पल है, लेवेंडर है. जो इसका बेस नोट है वो वाटरी एकॉर्ड है, रोज एंड जर्मेनियम है. जो इसका बेस नोट है वो एम्बर एंड मस्क है. नाउ अगर आप इसका एक्चुअल फ्रेग्रेंस पूछो तो इसकी जो स्मेल है वो बहुत ज्यादा सूदिंग, कामिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग है. तो इसकी स्मेल है वो बहुत ज्यादा एयर में काम्पनेस देती है. सो बोथ आर लिटरली रियली गुड. इफ यू यूज दिस you will feel so relaxed, so soothing, and your mind will be relaxed. And if you use this, there will be a lot of calmness for you around you if you apply this. If you ask me my overall experience on these two perfume, my personal favorite has to be this first rain, because it actually smell like the first rain, and the smell वो जो सौंधी सी smell होती है ना, मिट्टी से आती है फर्स्ट रेन की, that is really beautiful. और इसमें actually वैसी आती है and it stays for very long time. एंड अगर इसकी बात करूँ तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें फ्लोरल स्मेल आती है. लेकिन पर्सनली आई लिटरली लव दिस ग्रीन बॉटल वन, दैट इज फर्स्ट रेन. मुझे वो मिट्टी की सौंधी खुशबू पसंद है, दैट्स वाई मुझे ये परफ्यूम बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया. और लिटरली अगर ये मेरा खत्म हुआ definitely I am going to buy this one again. I'm not sure about this one, but this one literally I am going to buy again. Now this was my honest review on Mamaearth's Eau perfumes, and if you like this video, do not forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel as well as hit that notification bell which is next to the subscribe button. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Till then guys, we'll meet in the next video. Bye.